is the boundary layer thickness. Now delta, of course, x, we call it delta x, is the boundary layer thickness, is that value of y in the y direction, at which u is equal to 99% of the main velocity, means capital U. That is difference between small u and capital U is 1%. Now this is the figure. This is in the x direction, this is in the y direction. We call it delta x. Displacement thickness, delta star. It is defined as the distance perpendicular to the boundary by which the free stream by which the free stream is displaced due to the formation of boundary layer. Now this is the mainstream, this is a capital U, and here is the delta star. Expression for displacement thickness delta star. Now this figure you write down first. This is the figure, this is the y, and this is delta y, and this is actually small u, this to this is and this to this is a capital U. At y the velocity is small u. Now when y is equal to infinity, actually speaking, that will be the main U, capital U. So this is the delta at any where this is U, capital U. Now in absence of plate, the mass flow per second, that means kg per second actually, rho capital U dy into 1 is the width, unit width we have taken. There is no problem if you take the width is in the z direction, it is any number or any designation, maybe in the capital L. There is no problem, L will cancel out in the end. Reduction in mass flow rate through the small strip. Small strip means this strip. This distance is u, okay, and in the width direction it is 1, okay. So it will be, I am talking about reduction. This is the without plate, and this is with plate, u in rho u into dy into 1. Now you see this, if you go on dimension, rho in kg per meter cube, u is meter per second, dy is meter, and this one is meter. So you will get it in kg per second, okay. So this is the without plate, and this is when the plate is there. So the difference is the reduction in the mass flow rate. So that is equal to this one, okay. Now total reduction of mass flow rate due to the boundary layer formation, it will be integration of 0 to delta is equal to this one. This should be integrated because dy should be integrated on this, the total will be integrated from 0 to delta, okay. This is the total for the boundary layer. Now let the plate is displaced by delta star in the y direction. Of course, the velocity is higher with the velocity, and the velocity is capital U. Then what will be the reduction in mass flow rate is rho u into delta star into 1. Rho u into delta star into 1 must be equal to 0 to delta into rho into u minus u into dy, okay. Y is varying from actually 0 to delta. So delta star from this equation, now if you see this is 1, here it is also 1. So if you take this is L, it will be L also. So L will cancel out because L is constant on that part, but we have taken the one width. So from here this is the equation, and this equation for which the u is of course a constant, otherwise this u, capital U, cannot enter under the integration. So it is going, this is most important equation for delta star, and this equation is displacement thickness, okay, displacement thickness. Now you see, now this is in the y direction, this is in the y direction, delta star, and the velocity is u, capital U. So you understand, in this case I will tell you this delta is actually where u is there. So this delta practically is a delta star. This delta is a variable here. In this case 0 to delta means it is the range from 0 to delta, where delta, in that delta there will be the thickness. So delta task in particularly, it is now a thickness, displacement thickness, which is having the expression. Now you must understand what is small u and what is capital U, okay. Capital U is the, I have told you, it is the mainstream velocity, it is a constant, but this is variable u. U may be a function of, this u may be a function of x, y or z, but in this case if two dimension is there, it is xy, and in one dimension it is only x or y. Now this is the figure of delta star. Then come to the momentum thickness theta. It is defined as the thickness measured perpendicular it is defined as the thickness measured perpendicular to boundary to compensate loss in momentum. So momentum thickness is the loss in momentum due to the formation of the boundary layer and flow over it. Now it is in that figure 13.6, the main figure. The momentum is per second of flow through elementary strip. The strip which I have shown. This is in that rho u dy into u. This is the mass per second into the velocity. So mv will be the momentum, of course, per second. Momentum per second. So you have understood this. The term should be understood particularly. Momentum per second of flow in absence of plate is this one. In the plate, this u is nothing but the capital U. So reduction in momentum per second in the same method. Okay, this will be like this. So total reduction will be integrating over 0 to delta. Here delta is any thickness. Let theta is equal to distance by which the plate is displaced due to momentum loss per second. Of course, momentum loss per second. Okay, so in case of U, this will be capital U and multiply by the capital U, because this is the velocity without plate concept, and this is the total reduction. So this is 0 to delta, theta will be equal to this. This equation is very important. Okay, now then there is another thickness, which is energy thickness. I am giving you energy means kinetic energy half mv square. So it is like this. You can just get it through in the same way, same method. Very okay. Now this finishes the boundary layer in that syllabus. In the next video we will try to give you the Moody's diagram, this is the Moody's diagram and friction factor. Thank you very much.